Hello everybody, just be a quick one this will, and that. We're in Tamworth. We just dropped the lad off at the train station, he's gone back, and that's just said, what have you said, Bab?
I fancy a beer.
She fancies a beer. So we're going to take her, if it's open. It was voted the best pub in the country. I've never been there, it's been open about 4 or 5 years I think, so we're going to have a look. This is it here, the Tamworth Tap. I don't know if you can see that properly. All the brewing things, look. Tamworth Brewing Company. The Tamworth Tap. So let's go and have a look. I don't think they do food in here. Oh, sorry mate, sorry mate. What a great little pub this is. Probably got a bit of music in the background, so but what a great little pub in it, isn't it? Good pub, Bab. Great little pub. Superb. Nice inside as well. I've got a Tamworth lager. Never had one, home brewed.
Is this one home brewed as well?
Tamworth lager. I haven't had the lager for years. Oh, that's refreshing. That's had the lager and lime, ain't you, Bab?
Yep. Cheers.
So that'll be a quick one, guys, because we got the music on, and then I'll take you have a look around the pub in a minute. Oh, we've moved. Sun's killing me eyes. Wasps and everything now. It's a lovely little place, isn't it, Bab? We've even got some hops over there, look. That look great. Let me show you. Look at that. Use that hop in the hop yard. Some more here. Yeah. I'll show you. Have a look. You probably can't see it. Look. Yeah. I know, yeah. I know a lot of you like a beer. If you can see it, I don't know if you can see it. My eyes all blurry. I've got filthy up there.
Absolutely filthy.
It's got my horse has just got filthy off the bench.
Absolutely filthy. Really bad.
I'm not bad.
No, bad.
My arse is all filthy now, and that's it. Because of the bench. Got a mouldy bum. Let me sit on a chair instead. Got a mouldy bum. Got a mouldy bum. Everyone will be looking at my bum now. When we're walking off.
What are you doing? What have you been doing?
Every right, and you can't, I don't think you'll be able to hear the music here either.
No, you can't really hear it here.
Yeah.
It's a bit quiet a
This
bit.
beer's lovely.
It's really nice, going down too low. Just leave me here.
I feel drunk. I've only had
Get
that
a taxi.
much. I feel light-headed.
Don't more than you.
Tamworth beer. There she is. Dragging me to the booze.
I'm happy.
Dragging me to the booze. What's the matter with her? Oh yeah. Yeah. Download the real ale app. Beer board. Come on, we've got to get the train. Train's in half hour, but oh, there we go. Look, I look fabulous. Do you look fabulous, Bab? Yeah, you do. You always look fabulous, you. Oh, sorry, my mate. Go on, mate. You got the stuff.
You can't go down.
Gotta catch the train. Take care, mate. See you, mate. Thank you very much. Yeah, take care. Absolutely beautiful place. Beautiful. That's good, isn't it, that is? So they, yeah. Yeah.
really nice place. You know what? I'll come here again. Definitely.
It's a gorgeous place, isn't it? Couldn't film a lot, guys, because of the music, but it is really nice, isn't it, Bab, in there?
Yeah,
really nice.
Really nice.
And the inside as well.
Friendly as well.
Proper old fashioned and really friendly as well, isn't it?
Really friendly. It's a really nice place.
You know, didn't even
And
mind
been
recording
somewhere
or
like that
anything.
for years.
Yeah.
For years.
Yeah, for years, where they're like that and welcoming like that and all that.
So nice when they're like that.
Superb.
It's them old places, actually.
Yeah. Yeah, so the train station's only 5 minutes, but it takes about half hour in that.
Yeah,
Then it
close
Bab.
there.
So we have to just take our time and
Take it easy.
stop off and have a sit down.
Yeah.
So yeah, so I just thought Sam couldn't do much because of the music, because it would just get tucked down. Yeah, which is a shame, but
It's a really pretty place.
it's really nice, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah, so yeah, it is a really good pub though, really good pub. Say best, voted the best in the country on camera, and I can see why as well.
That's so funny.
For the atmosphere and that.
Even come out.
There was a board saying it does food, but it's not. It's just they just do like snacks, if you get what I mean.
Snack.
Yeah. So I asked them at the bar.
Yeah, I'll get munchies when I drink.
Otherwise, I'd have got something to eat, but I didn't do it. It's more of just a drinking and relaxing place. But anyway, off to the train station. Oh, and that beer was what was it, £9?
£9 something.
£9.80, I think. So a tenner for 2 beers. So it was expensive for Tamworth.
Yeah, it's really expensive for Tamworth.
You know, but I feel I've had 1 point. And I'm wobbling. I'm wobbling. You can stay here. That's what I'm like. I ain't drank for years, I feel. But it was really strong, weren't it?
That beer is strong now.
You could take when you tasted it.
There all day, I could.
You could have, couldn't you?
Yeah. Once I start, can't stop.
Yeah, I'll have to start again, won't I?
No.
No. No, I mean a couple at a time. I don't mean like my old style. I mean like a couple at a time. You know what I mean? Huh? No. No, she said. Remember this spot, Bab?
Yeah.
Not this one. It's the next
no,
one.
it's
See,
this
you
one,
forgot.
it's this one.
See? Have you forgot?
Oh yeah, number 7.
Number 7. Remember
Excuse me.
it. Excuse me.
Is this the bus to Glasgow?
Yeah.
Absolutely.
There it is. There it is.
Paralytic.
Excuse me, mister. Isn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
Excuse me. Wobbling everywhere.
Wobbling everywhere.
Yeah, and so was I.
You was as well.
Yeah, so was I.
Absolutely paralytic. I've been out all day. Thank you.
Thank you, Bab. Well, there it was. That spot. God. You are on a rest.
In a minute. Not yet.
You've got 25 minutes, yeah, so have yourself a little rest.
So my foot's starting to.
Yeah, it's dragging again now, so.
Yeah.
Do you want to sit on this wall for 2 minutes, or do you want to sit on the bench? And
So keep going. I might have to just stop just for a couple of minutes.
yeah, we'll stop. Yeah, we'll stop. Do yourself in. What's this here up?
Oh, that's that.
Doesn't look very nice, does it? I was Greek. Mr. Chips. That used to be nice. Chippy listed years ago.
My friend's partner owned this. Years
These are
ago.
like things from the 70s, aren't they? Unless it's the sun
Yeah, it doesn't
took the colour away.
look a very nice house.
Chippy used to
It
be
used
lovely
to be
years
nice,
ago.
didn't it?
Years ago it did.
It doesn't look very nice now.
Yeah. Do you want to sit on this for a
Just
bit?
go down a bit further and more. Copper squat, as we call it.
Copper squats.
Copper squat, yeah.
Copper squats. Yeah, here's a bench.
Oh,
Sit here for 2 minutes.
My legs started to.
Sit there for 2 minutes, Bab. And that's where we are. Oh, let me show you. And that's where we are, there. And we're home. Been home about half hour. Had a coffee. Just been going through the videos. We recorded all the beer garden and everything, but it hasn't come out. Gutted. It's quite a nice pub though, weren't it?
Yeah,
I'll see if I can leave you some pictures on here somewhere. Yeah, when I walk around the beer garden and that, obviously not filming people, filming the signs and everything. But there's nothing there. I've got one little section. So I'm gutted, I know, it's bad, but never mind, eh? But the beer was nice, weren't it, sweetheart?
Yeah, I really enjoyed myself.
Yeah, the beer was nice. I feel really laxy-daisy now. Feel
I'm lightweight.
light-headed. I really did. I'm alright now, sort of, but coming back on the train and I feel like I was drunk, honestly. I feel like I was 16 and had my first beer and wobbling. But yeah, and we're going to just do for tea. Paninis, aren't we?
Yeah.
And cheese and red onion panini. So that's what I'm going to do. So let's make that.
With some crisps.
With some crisps. Say about the beer itself.
What do you want, sorry?
What you got to say about the beer itself?
It was really nice.
Lovely, weren't it?
It's a really nice place. I enjoyed it actually. It was quite nice.
It was nice,
It
wasn't
was
it?
a nice place. No wonder it's got the award.
Yeah, the best pub in the country, voted through camera. Yeah, so let's go make a panini. Right guys, this is what I've done. If that audio in the back garden, that bit I've just done, it sounds a bit funny. I didn't have my mic plugged in. That's how drunk I feel. I've done the cheese, it's all broke and everything. Couldn't even cut it. But anyway, I'm having thick cheese, because I do like a thick cheese on a panini. Nat and the lads just having like thinner cheese. Me and Nat are having a bit of red onion. And I buttered mine and put a bit of mayo on, because that's how I like it. Nat and the lad just want it plain. And I've got the air fryer on there warming up. So let's build a bit. And let's make some. If I can get it standing straight because of the... Turn you that way and be able to see it, wouldn't you? They're only something simple. Can you see them? No? See them a bit, can't you? Well, if you're on for the lad, I might have to do some more cheese actually, because I haven't even looked. I probably will. There's one, simple one. A little bit thicker than that on some bits. Dear. Ooh, lovely day though, isn't it? It's an absolutely gorgeous day. With some red onion for Natalie. That's how she likes hers. And I'm having thick cheese on top of my butter. Good old cheese crumbling away, look. Then I have onion in the middle. Just how I like it. With some more cheese on top. With all that gooey cheese going in between it. I'll have to break that up a little bit. There we go. And there's mine. And all three are going to go in the air fryer as soon as it's warmed up. There it is, just warmed up. Let's open it up. If I can get all three in, I probably can't. Let's have a look. Just dropped some cheese there. All over the place. I just burnt my finger as well. There's one. There's Nats. If we put Nats that side, I'm on in the middle. Should get them all in. I've dropped my cheese and all now. Oh, I've dropped my cheese and everything, look. Oh no. Because I'm not using a deep fat fryer today, innit? Right, we'll close them, it'll take a couple of minutes. Well, there we go guys. There's Nats. Just cheese and onion with a cheese and onion crisps. And there's mine, mine looks better, doesn't it? That gooey cheese with a plain crisps. The lads had his. I don't know what's happening with my phone today. I'm just recording that section there that you just seen. I had to do it again because press record, it recorded, but it's gone off my phone again.
It ain't his phone, it's because he's had a beer.
It's not.
Yes,
Do you think it is? Not forgetting things.
One beer. One.
No, I press record.
One.
You seen me press record in the pub, didn't you? Didn't you?
Don't go there.
Because I went for a wee and you was holding the phone and it never recorded. Did it?
You recorded before that.
Yeah, and it never
Look
recorded.
what's happened since you come out. Fast pieces. You can't even function.
Oh no, I burnt my finger as well on the air fryer. I only had one bite. I know I'm like 2 or 3. No, never mind, eh? All double cheese, an onion, panini, bit of mayo. Don't she look nice in a dress? She doesn't wear a dress often. Doesn't wear a dress often. No, not wearing a dress. I'm not wearing it. Come over, she's got change in a dress. She looks nice in a dress. She gets embarrassed, doesn't you?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think I'm going to feel in a couple of weeks' time.
It's acceptable these days, don't it?
Not a cheap Aldi cheese, but it's delicious. Right, we're going to go. I'm absolutely shattered. I'll be on a setting. Oh no, God. I'll be snoring in 10 minutes.
No, about 3 minutes.
My face is all red here, look. See it? Never mind. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. I do apologise about the video. Nothing I can do. Some bits ain't recorded. I don't know why.
Because it can't function, because it's had a beer. Stop driving the camera.
Oh, and my bum's clean now.
Bent right over as well. I was laughing my head off when he bent over.
Oh,
I just glanced in and all I could see was a benchmark across the backside. Green benchmark. Idiot.
I should have recorded that bit,
It
shouldn't I?
wouldn't have come out. It didn't come out. I was rubbing it.
Never mind. See you later, guys. Bye-bye. If you want to do a few different ones of paninis, let me know what your favourite is. And I will do 4 or 5 different types of paninis, what people's favourites are. Because that'd be quite a good video, I think. Simple and delicious.